In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money via Sendwave to GCash. We'll walk through account setup, adding a recipient, verifying your details, and completing the transfer so you can send funds smoothly and confidently. Start by opening the Sendwave app. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in. If you're new, tap sign up and enter your full name, your email address, and your mobile number along with the other details requested on screen. When you're done, tap sign up to create the account. Next, check your email for the verification message. If the app offers a verify email option, you can tap that instead to streamline the process. Once your email is verified, return to the app, enter your email address and password, and tap log in. You should now be on the home screen. If the recipient is already saved in your contacts, select their name and proceed. Otherwise, choose to add a new recipient, then tap next and select add new recipient. Choose the destination country, pick the payment method appropriate for a GCash payout, and enter the recipient's full name and mobile number exactly as they're registered on GCash. Add the recipient's address details, then tap save. Now select the GCash recipient you just added and tap continue to send. You may be prompted to verify your email again for security. Complete that verification, then tap take me to the app to continue. Enter your payment method details, such as your card information, and tap next. Review everything carefully. Recipient name, GCash number, country, payment method, amount, fees, and exchange rate. If everything looks right, tap continue. The app will now ask for your legal details. Enter your legal name and date of birth exactly as they appear on your government-issued ID, then tap Finish. To complete identity verification, choose driver's license as your ID type, select your country, and confirm that your card is readable by tapping My card is readable, follow the on-screen prompts, and when ready, tap Submit verification. Once verification is done, you'll return to the transfer screen, give your details one last check, and tap Confirm Transfer. That's it. The money is on its way to the GCash wallet. A few quick tips. Make sure the mobile number matches the recipient's GCash registered number, use accurate names and addresses to avoid delays, and keep your ID handy in good lighting for clear verification. With these steps, sending money via Sendwave to GCash is fast, secure, and straightforward.